Let's get you the latest as far as the political divide is concerned over MNS thugs, and this is the split wide open as far as the Sena is concerned. So on one side, Sena leader at the police station supporting the Marathi influencer, we're talking about Sanjay Nirupam. On the other side, a Sena minister there questioning the cops, the Sena minister there to join the MNS rally. We're also talking about the transport minister there coming out saying that he's going to be joining in as far as the protests are concerned, and he's also gone on to say, let's get Abhishek who is reporting from the area.
अब बात करने सर क्या कहेंगे आप सर कुछ नहीं सर आप देख सकते हैं किस तरीके से काफिला देखिए काफिला ये मराठी के नाम पे यहाँ प्रदर्शन चल रहा है और कहीं ना कहीं ये लोगों का गुस्सा है क्योंकि सरकार में मंत्री है। यहाँ पर महाराष्ट्र एकीकरण समिति का प्रदर्शन चल रहा है जिसके अंदर मनसे के साथ साथ शिवसेना यूबीटी के लोग शामिल हैं और ऐसे में जब महाराष्ट्र के मंत्री यहाँ पर आए तो उन्हें साफ तौर पर कह दिया गया कि आप यहाँ से चले जाइए। आइए लोगों से बात करते हैं। यहाँ पर जो परिस्थिति है साफ तौर पर पहले से ही जो वातावरण था गहमा गहमी थी, प्रदर्शन करने की अनुमति नहीं दी गई थी। उसके बाद मीरा रोड रेलवे स्टेशन के बाहर प्रदर्शनकारी इकट्ठा हुए जिनको ये परमिशन दी गई कि आप यहाँ प्रदर्शन कर सकते हैं। ऐसे में महाराष्ट्र के मंत्री परिवहन मंत्री शिवसेना से आते हैं एकनाथ शिंदे गट से, उन्होंने चेतावनी दी थी कि मैं भी आऊँगा और वो यहाँ पर आए, लेकिन यहाँ पर जो प्रदर्शनकारी है साफ तौर पे उन्होंने ये कह दिया कि आप हमारे बीच शामिल नहीं हो सकते, आप यहाँ से चले जाइए। तो उनको यहाँ से जाना पड़ा। कोशिश की हमने बात करने की, लेकिन पुलिस की पूरी सुरक्षा व्यवस्था के चलते बात नहीं हो पाई, लेकिन वो उनको यहाँ से जाना पड़ा। और आपने देखा किस तरीके से कार्यकर्ता हो, प्रदर्शनकारी हो, उग्र हो गए थे और उन्होंने महाराष्ट्र के मंत्री को वापस भेज दिया। और दूसरी ओर हम देख रहे लगातार सुबह से प्रदर्शन चल रहा है, मना करने के बावजूद मार्च निकालने की कोशिश करने वाले थे।
Right, Abhishek, reporting for us right at the scene where the protests are being taken place. They are taking place in that area in Thane, where an assault on a shopkeeper has led to, the kind of meltdown that we're seeing in Maharashtra. And this is because the MNS workers want to protest against the trade union that was protesting because of the assault that took place by the MNS workers. There were multiple MNS workers who were there at that shop assaulting that shopkeeper. And now, this is a protest march that the Chief Minister has gone on to say is it's okay to hold a protest. It is okay to hold a protest rally or a march. Let's just also get in our guests who are joining us, and we have Srinivas Lahoti joining us, leader of Shiv Sena UBT. We also have Asif Bhamla of the BJP and Srinivas Lahoti, leader of the MNS as well. Let me first go across to Srinivas Lahoti in regard to, what are the demands that are being made in regard to this protest rally that the MNS workers have, had planned, and something that they haven't got permission for. But this really comes on the heels of the trade union that was protesting against the assault that took place. Why are the MNS workers wanting to hold that protest march?
कुछ दिनों पहले जो किसी को एक थप्पड़ मारने के कारण जो कुछ घमासान शुरू हुआ है, उसके लिए आज हमारे महाराष्ट्र नवनिर्माण सेना का एक रैली थी, मोर्चा था, वो भी शांतता से था पूरा, जिसको पहले तो पुलिस ने परमिशन दी नहीं और हमारे सारे बड़े बड़े नेताओं को उन्होंने रात में ही मतलब डिटेन कर लिया है पुलिस के द्वारा। तो फिर भी सारे लोग आए हैं और मोर्चा बहुत ही जैसा हमारा मतलब शुरू से जहां से शुरू होना था, जहां खत्म होना है, वहां तक शुरू और खत्म हो चुका है। और ये सब मराठी के लिए है। जैसा उन्होंने मोर्चा निकाला था कुछ दिनों पहले सारे परप्रांतीय व्यापारों ने, उसके अगेंस्ट में हमारा ये मोर्चा है।
राइट, बट उनका तो मोर्चा इसलिए था बिकॉज आपके लोगों ने, आपके एमएनएस के वर्कर्स ने 5-6 मिल के उन्होंने इस शॉपकीपर को मारा, उसको थप्पड़ वप्पड़ लगाया क्योंकि वो हिंदी में बात कर रहा था। तो आप हमारी पिक्चरें जो बनती है बॉलीवुड की वो हिंदी में बनती है, तो आप लोगों को हिंदी लैंग्वेज से इतनी प्रॉब्लम क्यों है?
नहीं, हिंदी लैंग्वेज से प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। भाषा और प्रांत रचना इस महाराष्ट्र में मतलब इस देश में हुई है, उस हिसाब से महाराष्ट्र की भाषा मराठी है। और हमारा मतलब कहना यह है कि आप जब यहाँ पे रहते हो, पैसा
हम आपके पास वापस आते हैं, अभिषेक के पास जा रहे हैं। अभिषेक, ओवर टू यू।
आते और आपकी सरकार वहाँ पर पुलिस लेकर हम पे डंडे बरसाएगी या इस तरीके से कार्रवाई करेगी कि हमें परमिशन नहीं दी जा रही है, तो ऐसे में गुस्सा होना लाजमी है। और पुलिस प्रोटेक्शन के साथ, अगर मैं बता पाया आपको, हम लाइव थे उस समय, किस तरीके से हमने कोशिश भी की प्रताप सरनायक से बात करने की, लेकिन उनका काफिला पूरे प्रोटेक्शन के साथ यहाँ से निकला। आप समझ सकते हैं अगर कुछ देर और वो यहाँ रुकते तो यहाँ प्रदर्शनकारी और उग्र हो सकते थे, उनके ऊपर अटैक भी हो सकता था। ऐसे में पुलिस की सिक्योरिटी के चलते उन्हें यहाँ से बाहर निकाला गया। और मैं दिखा दूँ, यहाँ पर अभी भी प्रदर्शन चालू है और हम यहाँ पर मीरा रोड पुलिस स्टेशन के बाहर हैं। तो जाहिर तौर पर राजनीतिक समीकरण समझना होगा और कहीं ना कहीं शिवसेना उद्धव बाला साहब ठाकरे गुट के लोगों का जो यहाँ प्रदर्शन में शामिल है, प्रताप सरनायक के प्रति गुस्सा फूट कर सामने आया। और जो सरकार के प्रति रोष था कि आपने देखा किस तरीके से घटनाक्रम रहा, हिंदी के नाम पर जो तीसरी भाषा के तौर पर सरकार को बताया गया कि आप थोप रहे, उसका भी एक गुस्सा नज़र आया। एक तरीके से जो बयान देते हुए लगातार मुख्यमंत्री देवेंद्र फडणवीस नज़र आ रहे हैं, उसका भी एक गुस्सा सरकार के ऊपर, प्रताप सरनायक के ऊपर प्रदर्शनकारियों ने किया। तो जाहिर तौर पर इसी तरीके की राजनीति महाराष्ट्र की रही है, अप्रत्याशित राजनीति। और हम देख रहे हैं पूरा समीकरण एक तरीके से आने वाले स्थानीय निकाय के चुनाव के चलते, एमएनएस हो, शिवसेना उद्धव बाला साहब ठाकरे गठ हो, या फिर एकनाथ शिंदे की शिवसेना।
Right, Abhishek, we also have Paras with us. Paras, the MNS there crossing that red line. In fact, going after the minister, the transport minister, who had actually come in to support their cause. He also, in fact, we heard him say that he is going to complain against the DCP. And here we are seeing that the MNS workers there, heckling that minister, the transport minister, who had come out in their support and not against.
Rightly said. In the morning also, Pratap Sarnaik, the transport minister of Maharashtra, has said that DCP and the police officials should give permission to MNS Karyakartas to protest against this entire incident which has happened and the protest that they want to do. With that, he also came at the Mira Road railway station few minutes ago, and he was heckled out from here by MNS Karyakartas as they don't want his support and they were angry on him. That's why after reaching the Mira Road station, he was heckled out by MNS Karyakartas and he has left from Mira Road few minutes ago. So this whole situation has occurred after he supported MNS on the thing that they should get permission to protest against what they want. So in this entire matter, we had seen that MNS has heckled, Karyakarta has heckled Pratap Sarnaik, the transport minister of Maharashtra. He has just left from Mira Road.
Right, of course, Paras, the big question being, will the government now finally take some sort of action that they've been saying that they will take in this regard, because their own minister was going against the government, coming out in support of the MNS workers, joining them literally in that protest, but he was heckled out of that protest by the protesters. Take us to, the kind of action that one is now demanding of the government, and will the buck finally stop here or not?
It is very difficult to say that what action can be taken against this MNS Karyakarta over the incident which has happened, because the incident which happened few days ago, in that there was a FIR filed by the Mira Road, Mira Bhayandar police, and charge sheet has been also been filed in this entire matter. Now it will be very interesting to see what all decision will be taken by the ruling party in Maharashtra, because we had seen the major things which has came into light in this entire matter. There are many political leaders who have said that and criticized the incident. Many of the leaders also said that the Marathi is very much compulsory in Maharashtra. If you want to stay in Maharashtra, you should learn Marathi. So it will be very interesting to see what will happen next in this entire matter, because many things has came into light. Many protests we have seen in few days, and today's protest was a little bit crucial. And a few hours ago, there was no permission for the protest, but now MNS Karyakarta got the permission, and they are protesting against this entire thing at Mira Road railway station from past 1 hour.
Right, Paras, back-to-back incidents, whether it's a Rajshri case, in which an MNS worker's son rammed his car into hers, or the other side where these MNS workers who had gone into this restaurant to buy water is when they, started attacking the man because of the language that he was speaking in wasn't Marathi, he was speaking in Hindi. Will the government now finally in Maharashtra wake up now that their own minister was heckled while he was trying to, basically support this protest and support the MNS workers when it comes to his take and the stand that the MNS workers are taking as far as the language is concerned?
Rightly said, must be take some action against what is happening in Maharashtra from last few weeks, because this is important to take action in this type of cases. Otherwise, this is going to be much more difficult situation in entire Maharashtra. So we can expect that in some days there can be some action against this type of cases which are literally coming in light from last few days. So there may be some action, but right now there is no official confirmation on it. So we can expect it by the government. There can be some important things which will be done.
Right. Well, of course, this really comes at a time when the MNS workers have really literally mocked the government of Devendra Fadnavis. They're saying that, all they needed to do was ask for permission for an area which was conducive, and that this area had major traffic concerns and it could have perhaps led to a stampede. And those were the concerns that were being raised by the Chief Minister and the government of Maharashtra. And there you have visuals on your screen of the Transport Minister there trying to, join into that protest, but he was heckled out of that protest site by the protesters. And of course this is really outside the railway station in the Thane area where the protest is taking place by MNS workers, and this is a protest which is an answer and a reply to the protest that was carried out by the trade union, and that was because of the assault that took place on that poor shopkeeper who was beaten up, assaulted by 7 MNS workers because of speaking in Hindi and not Marathi. So, of course, those visuals that are playing out on your screen as far as the NDTV impact is concerned, we're seeing this meltdown in Maharashtra, and we're seeing, it is the Sena versus the Sena. On one side, we have Sanjay Nirupam, who's coming out in support of Rajshri. Rajshri is the victim here of, the MNS worker, Javed Sheikh's son, Rahil Sheikh, who rammed his car in. He wasn't even wearing his shirt. He was in an inebriated condition, apparently, and he, was only abusing the woman. In fact, he went to the police station and said that, my dad can buy the entire police station. Once he reaches here, he'll buy the entire police station, is the claim that was made. And, throwing the weight around, saying, do you know who my father is, kind of situation. That was on one side. On the other side, MNS workers there are remaining defiant when it comes to the Marathi language, and that, Marathi is something that they are demanding of people to speak in. Of course, given the fact that there are many people who live in Maharashtra, particularly in Mumbai, who do not speak the language. Perhaps they're new to the city, new to the state. They're there perhaps on work. Do remember that is where the film fraternity is, the entertainment Bollywood, so to speak, is. And Bollywood makes films, in Hindi. And that is something that needs to be considered as well. And, we do hear the MNS workers there coming out very defiant in their stand. They as you can see, taken to the streets in order to, in fact, put forward their point when it comes to the Marathi language. So a political war there over MNS rally in Thane, and the Sena minister there trying to join that protest in a dramatic development. This is a Maharashtra minister and Shiv Sena leader who tried to join the opposition MNS protests against his government amid the raging language debate. We're talking about the transport minister Pratap Sarnaik. He was forced to leave the protest site in Thane, and the reason he was, literally heckled. Several workers of the Raj Thackeray-led MNS were detained at that road, the Mira Road, this morning. And when they took out that march to counter the protests against the Slapgate incident in which the MNS workers assaulted that food stall owner for not really speaking Marathi. Now, these, this is a protest that they were wanting to hold in order to counter attack what really happened there. They were the trade, as far as the trade union is concerned, they had gathered together in order to hold that protest. And here, chaotic visuals playing out as far as MNS workers are concerned. They're hitting the streets, and the police there, made them move from that particular stretch, that particular area where they said there's nothing wrong in protesting, but that particular area is not, it has many traffic concerns. There can be a stampede-like situation because of the area being, such. But here now the MNS workers protesting there at the railway station, there in Thane. Chaotic visuals playing out of the MNS workers there hitting the streets. Paras joining us from that protest site. Paras, take us to what's really happening on the ground and what really happened here. This transport minister who was switching sides, in fact, coming out to put forward the point of the MNS workers. He who's pledging his support, saying that he's also complained against the DCP. Here he was heckled out of there. Why is it that he wasn't allowed to stay, given the fact that he was echoing similar sentiments there?
So, a few minutes ago, Pratap Sarnaik, the Transport Minister of Maharashtra, reached the place where MNS Karyakarta are doing protest with permission. In the morning also, we had seen that while he was speaking to media, he has said that permission should be granted to MNS Karyakarta to do this protest. While he was coming to Mira Road to take part and support MNS, he was stopped at the gate where this entire protest is been done. You can see over there, Pratap Sarnaik entered the Transport Minister of Maharashtra, and over there he was stopped by MNS Karyakarta. They said that they don't need support of Transport Minister Pratap Sarnaik, and after that he was heckled out from here. So now he has left from here. Still there is protest on over here in Mira Road. It's Mira Road station, and you can see that there are 100 of MNS Karyakarta who has been here since a few hours now. In the morning they were trying to get permission. They were continuously coming to the place where this entire Slapgate incident has happened. They tried to enter the location, but Mira Road police detained them. Numbers are 100 and more people has been, MNS Karyakarta has been detained by Mira Road police in this entire matter, but still the protest is on, and now they had got the permission and they are protesting. Now you can see there are 100 of people still over here, and between that Pratap Sarnaik, the Transport Minister of Maharashtra, came to support them, but he was heckled out by MNS Karyakarta.
Right, Paras, stay on with us. We'll of course continue tracking this story for you as far as the latest details coming in from the ground are concerned. These are visuals that we're getting. And remember, what had happened is that Pratap Sarnaik, who was in fact supporting the MNS, he said that the MNS workers should have been allowed to protest. And in a significant statement, he said that he is a Marathi person before he's a minister. Now, although he was supporting the MNS workers, once he went to the protest site, he was heckled by the MNS workers and in fact asked to leave. He was being shooed away from the protest site when he had gone there to support them. So the question still, of course, lies, are the MNS workers really having a language sentiment or the Marathi sentiment in the forefront, or is it all about politics? My colleague Paras still with us from the ground. Paras, you've been tracking the protests as they were taking place on ground. And take us through exactly what happened with Pratap Sarnaik. We know that he had gone to the protest site. He was earlier as well talking about how he believed that the MNS workers should have been allowed to protest just like union members.
Rightly said, early in the morning, Pratap Sarnaik spoke to media persons, and over there he told them that that Mira Road police should allow MNS Karyakartas to protest in this entire matter. After that, there were so many things which was happening in Mira Road, where MNS Karyakartas started to come at the very place where incident took place. The Slapgate incident took place over there. There were hundreds of MNS Karyakarta who was detained by Mira Road police, and after so many hours, the permission was granted by Mira Road police to do a protest, and after that MNS started their protest and then came to this very place. This is Mira Road station, and over there they are protesting from last 1 hour, and so there are many other party leaders and party Karyakartas are also there in this entire protest which is happening right now at Mira Road station. With that, Pratap Sarnaik also tried to came here. He came here and over here he wanted to support them in this protest, but MNS Karyakarta and many other who is protesting over here heckled him out and said that they don't want Pratap Sarnaik's support. And after that, Pratap Sarnaik, the transport minister of Maharashtra, left from here, and now this protest is also calming down. This situation is getting normal because it's been more than 4 to 5 hours that this whole situation is occurring. Whole situation is there. There are still many people who are still protesting, but now situation is normal, and it will be back to normal in some more time.
Right, Paras, stay on with us. Remember earlier this morning when the protests had started, an MNS leader was detained. Now, that of course has again raised questions. The MNS in fact saying that and questioning why their leader was detained a night before and not after the protest took place. So the police have clarified, saying that the detentions that took place earlier were preventive detentions. And remember, as of now, the MNS workers who were detained from the protest site earlier, where they didn't have permission to protest, have now been taken away to another location where they've been asked to protest, where they have been given the permission to protest. But earlier, of course, many MNS workers were detained and were in the pretext of protesting, and it was in fact preventive, is what the police said. As far as what the administration is saying, Fadnavis as well as Yogesh Kadam, most of the police officers as well, have said that there was never a permission that was denied to MNS. In fact, MNS was asked to continue their protest at a different location.